Hello children, and welcome to Basic 3 Agri class. My name is Igwe Livinus Santity. Our topic today is tuber crops. Those tuber crops. Tuber crops. Tuber crops. Those crop plants that have swollen tube or swollen a root or stem. Listen again. Tuber crops are the crops that have swollen stem or roots. We have yam as an example of tuber crop. We have cassava as an example of tuber crop. We have potato, sweet potato. Do you eat potato? Sweet potato. It's a tuber crop. Like I said, we have two classes of tuber crops. Two classes of tuber crops. One is stem tuber crop. Two is root tuber crop. Now, an example of stem tuber crop is cassava. Cassava. You can see the structure again here. Cassava structure. See it here. And look at the stem side here. It will still swallow up here. You can still use this side as well as this side. Here is the stem part. Here is the root part. So, cassava is a good tuber crop. Coming to the next class, which is root tuber crops or crop. Example is yam. You eat yam. Yam is an energy-giving food, carbohydrate. Yam. Here is the structure of yam. Structure of yam. See yam here. So, see yam here. The tuber of yam. Why do we call it tuber crop? It's because you can see it swallow. It just swallow. It's not thin. It has the expand, unlike something like this, very thin, but it just swallow up. Tuber crop. This is a tuber of yam. A tuber of yam as an example of root tuber crop. Next one is potato. Potato still gives the swollen part or swollen tube by the root and the stem. Potato is a very good energy-giving food. Sweet potato. It's always sweet. Next one is uses. Uses of tuber crops. Uses of tuber crops. Uses of tuber crops. 1. We use tuber crop as food. We use them as food. When you're hungry, you cook them like yam. You boil it, cook it, and eat. Hunger will stop. Like cassava, number 2. We can use cassava to produce what is called cassava pudding or to make starch. They are very good for starch making. The one you use to make your clothes look so fine and good. Starch is cassava product. You can still use what is called Irish potato or sweet potato to make a very good dish that will quench hunger. So those things mentioned are the uses of tuber crops. They are good for your health, and with it, you will grow and have strength to perform your domestic routines or your house chores, the work you do at home. Tuber crops are good. At this point, I will stop. As we continue next time, different topic. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.